kickflip. A kickflip is when you do an ollie, flip the board, catch it, and land it. So for foot placement, you want to put your foot kind of on an angle, or and your back foot where you find it most comfortable to pop, because you need a pop to kickflip, a good nice pop. So when you pop an ollie, slide your foot up, except slide it off to the side, right in this corner, the pocket right here. So like that. It's gonna flip under you. And you see the grip tape, you wanna try to get your feet on the bolts, catch it, land it, and roll away. So, yeah, this is a kickflip.
And that's how to kickflip.